Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see the continuation for the organic nitrogen compound. Today we are going to see the preparation and properties of this amine. First we are going to see what are the preparation of amine. So what is meant by amine preparation? First one is from nitro compounds. How to prepare the amine from nitro compounds. How it can be prepared? First one is nitro compound CH3, CH2, NO2. What is this? Nitro, ethane, reduction, hydrogen and nickel, iron and hydrochloric acid, 6 molecular hydrogen with the reduction of hydrogen, reduction method, that is amine, CH3, CH2, NH2. What is the compound name? Ethanamine. Ethanamine, then 2H2. Okay. So this is called as nitroethane. This is nitroethane. This is called as ethanamine. Again, see aromatic nitro compound. Nitrobenzene. Again 3H2. Then platinum 680 Kelvin. To form this is H5 NH2 plus 2H2. Okay. What is this? The compound is aniline. Aniline, this is called as nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene or stannous and hydrochloric acid. Okay, this is from the nitro compound. Next method is from nitriles. What is meant by nitrile? That is cyanide compound, right? Nitriles. How it will be prepared from the nitriles? Again, reduction of alkyl and the aryl cyanide, that is CH3, CN, sodium, mercury, then C2H5 OH, okay, then 4H, that is ethyl amine, CH2 NH2, ethanamine or ethyl amine. Ethanamine, that is what is ethyl, ethane, nitrile. How to write? Nitrile, 2 carbon, that is eth, A saturated compound ANE, this is nitrile. Again another one is reduction of isocyanide. This is CN. So there will be a Mati pota isocyanide. So here that is CH3NC, right? CH3NC, sodium, mercury and C2H5 OH, 4H, right? Methyl isocyanide. This is methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide. Then N-methyl methanamine. So here that is CH3, NHCH3. N-methyl methanamine. N-methyl methanamine. Then again another one is from amide compound. From amide. What is amide? NH2. So that is CONH2, that is amide compound. Reduction of amide with the lithium aluminum hydride. So that is NH2. CONH2 is the amide compound. Okay, this is amide. When reduction with lithium aluminum hydride and water molecule, that is to form the amine, CH2 NH2, alkyl amine. So next one is Hofmann degradation reaction. So what is meant by Hofmann? All the naming reactions are very, very important. Hofmann's degradation. What is Hofmann degradation? So here that is amides are treated with bromine water. Then alkyl amine NH2. That is amide when react with bromine water in the presence of ethanolic solution of KOH, alcoholic KOH, to form the primary amine, that is NH2, then K2CO3 plus KBr, then H2O. Okay, this is called as primary amine. Primary amine. This is the, so instead of R, alkyl or allyl compound. R means the alkyl, what is alkyl? Aliphatic compound irukkalam, aromatic compound irukkalam. That is called as Hofmann degradation. So next we are going to see the important reaction, Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. What is meant by Gabriel phthalimide synthesis? Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. What is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis? First one is phthalimide. What is the formula of phthalimide? Right here, that is benzene ring. So here benzene ring, then C double bond O, NH, C double bond O, NH, KOH, then H2O. This is alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. This is benzene ring. Benzene ring. Again C double bond O. Here that is salt of potassium phthalimide will be formed, Na plus. So here C double bond O. Then that is potassium phthalimide. What is the name of this compound? Potassium phthalimide. Potassium phthalimide. This is called as phthalimide. Okay, so again with alkyl halide, any one of the halogen compound, right? SN2 mechanism, the halogen compound, instead of this can be removed, we are adding the alkyl compound. So here that is benzene ring. So remaining everything will be same. Here that is NR. Here C double bond O. What is the compound name? N-alkyl phthalimide. Then again KOH. KOH, what will be happen? So that is OH will be attached here. Okay. So N will be liberated. That is amine. That is primary amine. Here that is benzene ring. C double bond O. Okay. That is C double bond O. Okay. Potassium phthalimide. Then or NH2. What is this compound name? This is called as primary amine. So this is the potassium phthalate. Potassium phthalate. THLAT. Potassium phthalate. Okay, this is first one is phthalimide. This is very, very important. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So alcoholic KOH, phthalimide, when react with alcoholic KOH, instead of H, K will be replaced, right? This K will be replaced, H2O will be liberated, that is H2O will be liberated, right? Then again, now again it will be, K will be replaced with R, that is KX will be removed. KX will be removed, NR will be formed. So that is NR alkyl group, again KOH. That is NH2 will be removed as a amine. Okay, next one is Hofmann ammonia lysis. Hofmann's ammonolysis. Okay, what is Hofmann ammonolysis? First one is primary, secondary amine and quaternary salt will be formed. Again, first one is methyl bromide. First react with ammonia, NH3. When we are heated to form the primary amine, CH3, NH2, right? NH2, that is called as primary amine. Secondary amine, again methyl bromide to form the, what is this compound? Dimethyl amine. So here NH, that is called as secondary amine. Next again methyl bromide, tertiary amine. So here that is CH3 thrice N. Okay. So here that is tertiary amine. Again it will be react with methyl bromide, quaternary salt, ammonium bromide salt will be formed. That is CH3 4N plus Br minus. This is called as quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium bromide salt. In each step, one CH3 will be added. One CH3, one H will be removed, one CH3 will be added, right? So here that is, here HBr will be removed. So here that is HBr will be removed. So that is NH2. So here NH3 remaining என்ன இருக்கும் H2 இருக்கும். ஒரு HBr வந்து வெளியில போயிடுது. So மறுபடியும் அடுத்த HBr வந்து இதுல இருந்து வெளியில போயிடுது. Okay, so ஒரு CH3 இங்க ஆட் ஆயிடுது, வெறும் NH. அடுத்ததுல வெறும் H, again HBr will be removed. So in the next step the Br will be added, HN plus and Br minus. Okay, that is quaternary ammonium bromide. This is called as Hofmann ammonia lysis. Okay, so this is the another one. In this case, the order of reactivity of this alkyl halide, order of reactivity of alkyl halide, okay, so that is alkyl iodide, then alkyl bromide, then alkyl chloride. Okay, this is the order. This alkyl halide can also be converted to primary amine if treated with sodium nitrate. So next one is alkyl halide, that is CH3Br. So react with NaN3 nitrate to form the methyl acid CH3N3. CH3NH2 plus N2. Methyl acid, methyl bromide, that is methyl amine. This is methyl acid, methyl amine. This is the conversion of methyl bromide to methyl amine. Okay, the alkyl halide to, this is alkyl halide to alkyl amine. So next one is preparation of aniline from chlorobenzene. Aniline from chlorobenzene. That is C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene, react with NH3, Cu2O, then 200 degrees Celsius to form the aniline. Okay, here NH2 aniline. So this is the another one. Next one is ammonia lysis, the breakdown of this compound, hydroxyl compound. So ammonia lysis of hydroxyl compound. So what is ammonia lysis of hydroxyl compound? That is ethanol. Okay, ethanol, when hydrolysis with ammonia, Al2O3 aluminum hydroxide in water to form the ethyl amine, that is NH2. So how to remove that? H2O will be removed, right? H2O will be removed, C2H5 NH2, that is ethyl amine. Again another C2H5OH, the water molecule, again H2O will be removed, that is NH will be there. So here H2O, here also H2O. So what is the compound? That is diethyl amine. Then C2H5OH, H2O, then C2H5 thrice nitrogen. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is react with phenol. Again it will be phenol will be reacted with, then phenol, breakdown of ammonia, that is zinc chloride, and it is zinc chloride heated with 300 degrees Celsius to form the aniline, NH2 aniline. Okay, so this is the another one. Next one is what are the properties of amine. So lower aliphatic amines are colorless, properties of amine. So So physical state, lower aliphatic amines are colorless, and the ammonia, that is sweet ammonia smell will be there. Again boiling point, that is the polar nature of this amine compound. Intermolecular hydrogen bond using the lone pair of electron. The nitrogen content, the boiling point of the various amine, that is CH3NH2, that is primary amine, greater than CH3 twice NH, CH3 thrice En. Okay, this lone pair. How it will be lone pair? What are the structure of amine have the lower boiling point when compared to alcohol? Okay, the solubility, aliphatic amines are soluble in water. This is primary, this is secondary, this is tertiary. Again, what is the structure of this amine? So what is the structure of amine? So here nitrogen, this is lone pair, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. Okay, this is the CN bond. So the carbon, the lone pair of the electron, this is nitrogen is sp3 hybridization structure, sp3 hybridization. So here this is the bonding. So in your textbook, so this is the front one, this is the, so this is the front portion, front view, the back bond. So the bond angle is 107 degree. Okay, this is the structure of this due to the tetrahedral bond angle less than the normal tetrahedral bond angle. The bond angle is 109 degree. That is CNC bond angle, trimethylamine 108 degree. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is, what are the chemical properties? What are the chemical properties of this? Chemical properties. Chemical properties. They form the salts with mineral acid. So when this is the C6H5NH2, then HCl, mineral acid to form the anilinium chloride, C6H5NH3 plus Cl minus. Okay, so this is anilinium chloride. This is the another one. This is called as aniline. Next one is, what are the chemical properties? First one is alkylation. What is alkylation? So first one is primary amine, thus NH2 when react with CH3Br. CH3Br react with, that is secondary amine will be formed. What is secondary amine? NHCH3 then HBr. This is secondary amine. Again the same compound, 2-methyl bromide CH3Br, that is tertiary amine, or NCH3 twice. Okay, that is tertiary amine. Then 2HBr. Then again that is tertiary, that is quaternary salt. We already studied the Hofmann reduction, right? CH3Br. Okay, what is the compound? That is quaternary ammonium salt, or N plus CH3 thrice Br minus. So this is quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Next one is acylation. What is meant by acylation? What is meant by acylation? That is acetyl chloride, C2H5 ethyl amine when react with acetyl chloride, CH3C11O, acetyl chloride in the presence of pyridine. To form the ethyl acetamide, C2H5 NH C double bond O CH3 HCl. What is this compound name? That is called as ethyl acetamide. What is this compound name? Ethyl amine. Acylation means this is called as acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Next one is important naming equation. Scott-Bowman equation. SCH. Scott-Bowman. Very important. All the naming reactions are very important. First one is aniline. What is aniline? C6H5 NH2 aniline. When react with benzoyl chloride, C6H5 C double bond O Cl in the presence of pyridine to form the N-phenyl benzamide. C6H5 NH C double bond O C6H5 plus HCl. What is this compound name? N-phenyl benzamide. Next one is reaction with nitrous acid. What is this compound name? Aniline, benzoyl chloride, N-phenyl benzamide. So next one is reaction with nitrous acid. Reaction with nitrous acid. First one is primary amine. What is primary amine? That is ethyl amine. C2H5NH2. The primary amine react with nitrous acid HNO2 in the presence of sodium NaNO2 concentrated hydrochloric acid C2H5N plus Cl minus, right? What is this component? Unstable. Again it will react with water molecule to form the ethanol. C2H5OH ethanol plus N2. This is called as ethanol. Next one is aniline react with nitrous acid. Again the same compound aniline react with nitrous acid. What is the structure formula of aniline? Veru NH2. So benzene ring. This is called as aniline. Aniline react with sodium nitrate NaNO2 again hydrochloric acid to form the benzene disonium chloride. So we can write like this: heated 73 Kelvin to 78 Kelvin benzene disonium chloride. So here N to Cl, N plus Cl minus sodium chloride plus 2H2O, benzene disonium chloride. Next one is secondary amine. This is aniline react with sodium nitrate to form the benzene disonium chloride. Okay, next one is secondary amine. Okay, what is secondary amine? So here that is NHCH3 plus HO N double bond O sodium nitrate NaNO2 concentrated hydrochloric acid H2O so N double bond O CH3. Okay, nitroso-methyl phenylamine. Nitroso-methyl phenylamine. This is the secondary amine. Next one is tertiary amine. What is meant by tertiary amine? So tertiary amine, aliphatic compound tertiary amine. Okay. So tertiary amine, how it will be react? That is tertiary amine plus HNO2 gives CH3 thrice N plus H NO2 minus trimethyl ammonium nitrite. So next one is aromatic tertiary amine. So this is tertiary amine. Aromatic tertiary amine means, so here that is nitrogen, here one CH3, here one CH3. Now N comma N dimethyl aniline. In the presence of HNO2, again sodium NaNO2 plus concentrated hydrochloric acid to form this here N double nitroso NCH3 CH3, the same compound N nitroso N, N dimethyl aniline. Okay, so this is another one. Next one is carbylamine reaction. What is meant by carbylamine reaction? This is also very important. Last time they are asking carbylamine reaction. What is carbylamine reaction? First one is ethylamine C2H5NH2 chloroform. CHCl3 what is CHCl3? That is chloroform. When react with potassium hydroxide to form the ethyl isocyanate. This is C2H5NC. What is the component? Cn means cyanide, NC means isocyanate. Ethyl isocyanate plus HCl plus 3H2O. Okay, so this is another one. So next one is reaction with mustard oil. Mustard oil reaction. What is mustard oil reaction? CH3 NH H carbon disulfide, right? That is carbon disulfide CS2. This compound is CS2. Carbon disulfide when react with the methylamine, that is primary amine, methylamine CH3 NH C double bond S SH N methyl dithiocarbamic acid, dithio. So S means that is thio bond. This is thio compound, dithiocarbamic acid. Then in the presence of mercury chloride HgCl2 to form this CH3 N double bond C double bond S plus HgS plus 2HCl. Okay. So what is this compound name? Methyl isothiocyanate. This is look like a mustard oil smell. So it is called as mustard oil reaction. Again the same compound is react with the aniline, both given carbon disulfide. So again another reaction, aniline, 2 molecule of aniline, that is NH H here NH H plus S C double bond S. Okay. Again we are heated with hydrogen sulfide will be removed here. H2S will be removed, right? H2S. What is this compound name? NH C double bond S. Here also NH C double bond S. Again react with concentrated hydrochloric acid when we are heated to form the N phenyl isothiocyanate. Phenyl isothiocyanate. What is this compound? Diphenyl thiourea. Diphenyl thiourea. This is carbon disulfide. What is this compound? This is called as aniline. So the same compound, methylamine, this is called as aniline, react with carbon disulfide. Next one is electrophilic substitution. What is meant by electrophilic substitution? Again, bromination, nitration and the sulfonation. What is the bromination? Bromination. What is bromination? Here that is the benzene ring aniline NH2 in the presence of bromine Br2 and H2. Bromine to form this compound. What is this compound will be formed? So here that is NH2, here Br, here one Br. So here one Br. 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline. Okay, so this is when aniline react with bromine water or bromine or acetic acid CH3COOH. This is called as chromo compound. Acid reduce its activity. So here again the aniline. So the structure of aniline NH2 again reduced with acetic acid CH3CO2. Twice acetic acid. In the acetic acid will be removed CH3COOH in the presence of pyridine. Pyridine to form the acetanilide. So here that is the NH C double bond O CH3. What is the compound name? Acetanilide. Acetanilide again bromine CH3COOH. So only instead of that bromine will be added, right? So NH C double bond O CH3 para bromo acetanilide. Again hydronium ion H3O plus, acetic acid will be removed CH3COOH. Okay, CH3COOH will be removed to form this NH2Br. Okay, this is the bromoaniline. Okay, this is the bromination. This is the electrophilic substitution. Next one is replacement reaction. Okay, thank you children. See the next video. Okay.